Good morning, Booski. Happy Monday. Happy March Baddiness Month. How are you, y'all? Yeah, I'm doing wonderful. How was your weekend? My weekend was great. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do some trash talk. And I know you're like, girl, how are you trash talking in the car? Well, yeah, long story short, it's just easier to film in your car because if you know, like the lightning, like you get natural sunlight, like you get a cute little background. Like, I mean, there's some little trees right there, and it just, I don't know, it's just easier, like not doing it in the home because y'all know I got a whole family. That just be too much going on. And yeah, so here is my February empties. I figure we can just go over them and I will tell you if I would buy them or rebuy them or not and anything about it. Most of these are Bodycare. I don't know how I felt about what I did this month, but y'all just let me know what y'all think. So first I have this Tide Simply All-in-One, and this is actually what I always buy. For some reason, this Simply is actually cheaper than the not Simply. So I just love this. This is always going to be on my buy to wash my clothes. It's my #1 scent preference, and yeah, always will rebuy it. Also finished Evil Queen in the detergent. I'm absolutely loving BBW's detergents. Yes, I'm always going to rebuy them if I could. I think I got this one from that leftover sass in that one store, I'm pretty sure, and I got it for like $5, and to me that's just a lick. I finished a whipped honey and vanilla candle. Burned so well, love it, would always rebuy this one. Finished up a Wicked Vanilla Woods. I have found that I really don't love Wicked Vanilla Woods, but we are definitely getting it if it's on clearance. It burned pretty well and I have no complaints. Another laundry detergent. This was Amazon Basics. I picked up in the super concentrated clean linen. It was like on sale for like $5. For what it was worth, I loved it, and I love that it's Amazon Prime and that it is available at all times. I finished a burn of Lucky Vibes. I'm not really a single wick candle girly, but I got this from one of the sasses and it was a good time. This one is Irish cream liquor, fresh baked pound cake, and chocolate cream drizzle. It burns more chocolatey and it smells like hot cocoa to me. And for that, I would love to rebuy it if it's available. I love the little ladybug on there because I feel like ladybugs are literally how I used to remember that spring was here, and they don't get enough shine. Like, why we don't talk about ladybugs enough? I don't know. Why isn't the ladybug the face of spring? I feel like butterflies are, clovers are, but ladybugs, those girls, and I love them because they are tokens of good luck. Let's see if I got some more by home care. Yes, I finished a Fabuloso. This one is the apple and vinegar scent. Loved it. Got this one from the Dollar Tree. Loved it. Would repurchase it. I'm stay repurchasing Fabuloso for sure. Finished a wallflower plug. This one is something, but it was a nice clean oil pull for sure. I got my Dove Original. I have one of those. 2, 3 went another Dial antibacterial soap. 4 Dials. This is the 4th Dove. Oh, and I'm not editing this out, guys. I'm just not. Okay. Yeah, and I think that's it. I think we end up throwing away a lot of the soaps on accident. So yeah, I feel like it's worth noting. I finished my kids finished Little Critters gummy vitamins. They were on sale and they were on sale, so I just picked them up. I don't know what else to say about that. Let's get into Bodycare. I finished Christmas cookies, child. It was an act of God, honey. I finished Christmas cookies, and like when I was like, because I started it, it was like right here. And then when I got halfway through it, like I was getting like a dank, almost like skunky, like smell, and I couldn't shake it. And so like I ended up using it as a room spray, and I actually got a little bit of juice left in there, but I was like, girl, you gotta go. You got to go. I didn't quite finish this Endless Sea, but it turned, so I threw it away and put it in my bag, so I'll consider it a finish. It's like right here. I also finished up a Happy Birthday in the mini. Couldn't wait to get rid of it. Some people are saying that the new peach scent smells like this. I'm praying that it don't, boo. I finished up this vanilla cashmere in the EOS. Loved it. Down bad. This is probably, I think this is my third one that I finished up. No, I didn't finish up the peppermint one, but I'm like almost there. It'll probably be in this month's empties. Yeah. Okay. I finished up this little spray I used to have with like, I would say it had like some essential oils and witch hazel, and I used to keep it in my car for when I'm about to go for a run so I don't get bit up by the boogies. So I finished that up. Finished up a pack of denture cleansers. I don't have dentures. I just put them on, soak my retainers in them periodically. A hand soap of Milk Bar birthday cake, which I know for a fact I finished up 2 more, and for some reason my kids threw them away, but I will always repurchase it. I finally finished up this body butter of champagne apple and honey. I love this thing so much. Ugh, it's gross. I don't even want to show y'all that. I loved it so much. I will absolutely repurchase. I think when those body butters came out in this form, I think that they were so good. Finished up an African shea butter. I get this now from Publix. They actually sell them in Publix, and the price is comparable to what it is on Amazon. So I purchased it from Publix, and definitely going to pick some up on my next run because we just finished it this week. Finished up a floss. Always going to keep floss. A pocket back holder in Sweet as Sugar. Over time, it just became a little bit too sweet. And yeah, I also finished up finally my Choco Musk oil. I loved it, and I would definitely repurchase it. I finally decide to toss this Monistat chafing gel. I do not use it for what you think I do. I use it for a primer, and I've been doing it before Nina Pool. So I appreciate me some Nina, but I've been doing this one before Nina, and I'm embarrassed at how long it took me and how long it was expired. Then I started breaking out, and right now I can't even wear makeup because I'm breaking up so bad. And lastly, I finish up Olay spoonful of sugar in the body wash. Y'all, I love this so much. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Olay, if you are watching this, please make this part of your core. I think that this is probably one of the best gourmand shower gels, body washes that I have. I love that it is pro skin. I also, with like vitamins and stuff like that, I love the way it smells. Doesn't have any parabens, and it's drugstore. So like you could get this one from Walmart. I think I got mine from Walmart for like $9, and it was worth every penny. And look at the size. So yeah, I love that. So yeah, boo, that was wait, hold on. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, boo, that was my February monthly empties. What did you think about what I emptied? I think I did good. My biggest thing is trying to make sure that I finish off Bodycare, and I think I did that one by finishing off 2 full-size mists and a mini, I want to say, and a body butter. How did you do for the month of February? It was a short month, so it was kind of rough on all of us, but I got to get headed to work. Love you, okay, bye.